The vocabulary word we are exploring now is laundry. Laundry. Picture a basket full of clothes waiting to be cleaned. That's laundry, a regular part of home life. Washing, drying, folding, it's not always fun, but it's a small task that brings comfort, freshness, and order. Let's dive into this everyday word. Meaning of laundry. Laundry refers to clothes and other items that need to be washed or have just been washed. Examples: she spent the afternoon doing the laundry. The laundry room was filled with fresh-smelling clothes. He forgot his wet laundry in the machine overnight. Short story. Arjun hated doing laundry. One weekend, when his parents were away, he ran out of clean clothes. He had no choice. He sorted, washed, and dried his clothes. Later, as he folded his favorite t-shirt, he smiled. It felt good to be responsible. From then on, laundry wasn't a chore, it was a sign of growing up.